Hello my lovelies, this is Madiha and I'll be showing you today my all-time favorite tahini sauce or bakduniye. It is a staple condiment across the Middle East and it's used across almost every savory item that you'll find there. So let's begin without any further ado. First thing first, we have to take a good quality of tahini sauce. I will be writing down all the ingredients in the description box, so please have a look down there how much I'm using. And also, I will be using this sauce very frequently in my upcoming videos, and I've also used it in my Chicken Musakhan video if you haven't seen it yet. So please go and have a look and do try it. Next come lime. It's up to you want to use lemon or lime. I have got lime at my home, so I'm using lime. I'm using one whole lime, but I will be using in two parts. First, I have squeezed half of it, then I'm going to give it a good mix. Don't worry if it becomes grainy. The next thing, we are going to add water, then we'll liquefy it a little bit. I would say it is more of an eyeball measurement. Feel as you like. If you want a bit more sour, add more lemon, or a bit more salty, add a bit more salt. So as you can see, the consistency is really runny, just like double cream or thick cream. Now at this stage, I'll be adding 1 clove of crushed garlic and some parsley. Parsley is the thing which will actually give its name of bakduniye. If you do not want to put in parsley, it's just simple tahini sauce. With parsley, it becomes bakduniye and it imparts a really nice flavor. Next goes in roasted cumin, my all-time favorite, my love. And then I have got some sumac, just a pinch, not too much. Again, sumac is a Lebanese addition. If you'd like to have it, by all means do so. If not, just give it a miss. And taste and season. I would say that's the key to Middle Eastern cuisine. Whatever you're making, always taste and season. At this stage, I find it's a little bit lacking some seasoning, so I am adding a bit more of lime and some salt. I will give it a good whisk and then I will jar it and keep it in the fridge for good 7 to 10 days, I would say. Nothing goes wrong with the sauce. It's perfectly fine. The consistency will get thickened once it goes in the fridge. If you want to thin it out, add a little bit of water and then it's all good to go. So guys, if you like my videos and my channel, please do like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.